I was sent this little pack of 24 Stretchies. They are like fidget toys. Let's take a look. This is the brand Up Brands. And let's see. They're like little Geicos, or let me show you. My daughters love fidget toys. And what I will be doing is placing these inside favor bags for my daughter's birthday party. Look at how adorable this sticky little they're so scary. They're so realistic. The kids love toys like this. Little fidget toys. The texture is so realistic. Look at the little hands. And I will be placing a few of these into each little bag for my daughter's birthday party. I know the kids are gonna love this. I know my two daughters love little sticky toys, things that they can play with and scare people with. But these are adorable. The brand has different colors. They have other colors of this. I just think they're the cutest little thing. Oh, and some of them do have scales?
Yeah, look. I'm gonna show you what these have scales, and like you can see, I'm rubbing my finger, and these have scales. They have like tiny triangles. Mommy, open it.
Mejor.
Okay. Oh, like this.
Want to in English?
Look, open it.
Lizard. It's a little lizard.
Do you want to put this one's different. This one's different. Open it.
Te puedo grabar tus manos tocando los lizards, playing with them. Alright, I'm gonna be here with you guys. A ver.
You guys think this is...
Touch the lizards with...
These ones don't have like the scales.
Let me see. Are they all the same, or some of them are different?
Open it.
Tita?
Toilet in the playroom.
No, mi amor, I can't.
Why?
Can you... Nena, ponte esto aquí para que no se te vea el Klondike aquí, right here. Can you...
Open it.
Okay, Laila, I'll open it for you. What's in there? Oh, little bracelet. Yay! You found it.
I found it. You can put it here. I'm just starting. I'm not leaving. These are the skinny ones. These don't have scales. And he's saying hi. No.
He's saying hello. Hi. I love how squishy and wiggly they are.
And look. Stretch.
How stretchy are they?
I have no idea.
Pretty
These
stretchy.
are more stretchy. Like, look.
Ooh.
This is yours.
Don't you be scaring me with that.
I'm always gonna be scared.